Nazi peg, all right?
What's up, everybody? Sue's in the back. We are in the abandoned city of Centralia, Pennsylvania. As you've probably seen from our intro video, oh, she's going the long way. We drove through the city. How many houses do you think we've seen? 5?
No more than that, definitely.
So what we're walking on right now is where the old highway used to be. You'll see in a minute. People graffiti everything. And on the road that's abandoned, there's all graffiti on it, according to the pictures on the internet. What if this is all stuff from like the houses that were here? They closed and... God. Oh, it's like a little kid's like purse. Sharon loves Miles. It's a kid's backpack. Playing card. This is the graveyard in the middle of an abandoned city. It's not like they can move anything, you know? It's stuck. Oh my God, you can feel the heat coming off from the fire.
Huh?
You can feel the heat from the fire.
Really?
Yeah. You can almost smell it too. You can feel the heat coming off this road. Now this road was redone because of the fire. There's the Jeep in the background.
Blow me.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah, I'm hot.
Yeah, it's because we're walking on fire.
I know. It's wild. I'm afraid there's gonna be like a monster come out and get us. I feel like I'm in a scary movie.
Well, if we were doing this at night, I'd say it'd probably be a problem. This is wild. What do you think?
This is wild.
Oh. So we explored Centralia. We've seen abandoned houses.
I was scared at first.
Graffiti Highway.
Then Graffiti Highway caught my interest.
Yes, it's very interesting. It's an abandoned population 7. If you do like this video, subscribe to all of us, of course, and check out the POV page we have for drones.
Yes.
We can actually see the drone footage, because you won't see the drone footage on this video. You'll see it on our drone POV page.
Awesome footage.
Wicked Explorers POV drone, type that in. Or you can just hit the little thing at the end of the video. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Alright, we'll see you guys soon.
Toodles.
The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.